Our universe is a vast and mysterious place. It is filled with billions of galaxies, each containing billions of stars. Among these celestial wonders are two giants engaged in a cosmic dance, the Milky Way and Andromeda. The Milky Way, our galactic home, is a barred spiral galaxy with graceful arms spiraling outward from a central bulge. It is a breathtaking sight, a river of light stretching across the night sky. Andromeda, also known as M31, is our nearest major galactic neighbor. Like the Milky Way, it is a barred spiral galaxy, but it is even larger and more massive. These two galactic giants are destined for a spectacular collision, a cosmic event that will reshape the local universe. Buckle up as we embark on a journey to explore these fascinating galaxies and their impending encounter. Both the Milky Way and Andromeda share a similar structure. They are barred spiral galaxies, characterized by their central bar-shaped structures and graceful spiral arms. The Milky Way, with a diameter of about 100,000 light-years, contains hundreds of billions of stars. Our solar system resides in one of its spiral arms, about 27,000 light-years from the galactic center. Andromeda dwarfs our galaxy in size, spanning a staggering 220,000 light-years across. It is estimated to contain over 1 trillion stars, making it the most massive galaxy in our local group. Despite their differences in size, both galaxies exhibit similar structural components: a central bulge, a flattened disk, and a surrounding halo. These features reflect their shared history and the fundamental processes that govern galaxy formation. The Milky Way and Andromeda harbor diverse populations of stars, each telling a story of cosmic evolution. Young, hot, blue stars are found in the spiral arms of both galaxies. These regions are stellar nurseries, where gas and dust collapse to form new generations of stars. Older, redder stars reside in the central bulges and halos. These stars are relics from the early universe, providing insights into the galaxy's formation and evolution. Andromeda, being older and more massive, is believed to have a higher proportion of older stars compared to the Milky Way. This difference in stellar populations reflects their distinct evolutionary paths. Andromeda's massive size is not solely due to its internal star formation. This galactic giant has a history of devouring smaller galaxies, incorporating their stars and gas into its own. Astronomers have observed streams of stars in Andromeda's halo, remnants of past galactic mergers. These stellar streams serve as evidence of Andromeda's cannibalistic past. The Milky Way has also experienced its fair share of galactic mergers, albeit on a smaller scale. These mergers play a crucial role in shaping the evolution of galaxies, influencing their size, structure, and star formation history. Section 5. A Celestial Tango, Predicting the Inevitable. The Milky Way and Andromeda are locked in a gravitational dance, destined for a head-on collision in about 4 billion years. Currently, Andromeda is hurtling towards us at a speed of approximately 250,000 miles per hour. This may seem incredibly fast, but on cosmic scales, it is a relatively slow and graceful approach. As the galaxies draw closer, their gravitational pull on each other will intensify, accelerating their movement towards an inevitable encounter. Section 6. Galactic Firestorm, When Galaxies Collide. The collision between the Milky Way and Andromeda will be a spectacular event, lasting for millions of years. However, contrary to popular belief, it is unlikely to be a catastrophic event for individual stars. The vast distances between stars mean that direct collisions will be rare. Instead, the galaxies will pass through each other, their gravitational forces distorting their shapes and triggering intense bursts of star formation. The night sky will be ablaze with the light of newly formed stars, as the gas and dust in both galaxies are compressed and ignited by the collision. Section 7. Cosmic Ballet, Birth of a New Giant. After the initial collision, the Milky Way and Andromeda will continue to interact, their gravitational forces pulling them back together in a cosmic dance. Over billions of years, they will repeatedly collide and merge, their stars scattering and rearranging until they eventually coalesce into a single giant elliptical galaxy. This new galaxy, often nicknamed Milkomeda, will be a testament to the powerful forces at play in the universe, showcasing the cyclical nature of galactic evolution. Section 8. Windows to the Universe. Decoding Galactic Secrets. Studying the Milky Way and Andromeda provides valuable insights into the formation and evolution of galaxies. By observing their stars, gas, and dust, astronomers can decipher their histories, unraveling the mysteries of galactic dynamics. The impending collision between these galaxies presents a unique opportunity to study the processes that drive galaxy evolution on a grand scale. Furthermore, understanding the Milky Way and Andromeda helps us to contextualize our place in the cosmos, reminding us of the vastness and wonder of the universe we inhabit. Section 9, Conclusion. A universe of wonders awaits. The Milky Way and Andromeda, two cosmic giants engaged in a celestial dance, offer a glimpse into the dynamic and ever-evolving nature of our universe. Their impending collision, a testament to the powerful forces at play, will reshape the local universe, giving birth to a new galactic giant. As we continue to explore the cosmos, we are constantly reminded of its beauty, its vastness, and the countless wonders that await our discovery. The study of galaxies like the Milky Way and Andromeda inspires us to unravel the mysteries of the universe and to appreciate our place within its grand cosmic tapestry. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more cosmic wonders.